So guys, it's been a beautiful walk. We've had some nice laughs with Obi being scared of dropping inside the water. But now you've conquered your fear, Obi. You still scared?
I'm still scared.
Why are you scared though? But you did it.
Yeah, I know, but seeing the water is the problem. I don't want to see the water.
But you've done well. You have really done well. I'm proud of you. And now we're off to, where are we going now? Let's go, yeah, Starbucks. You need some coffee? It's so cold, guys. It's freezing cold.
It's like how nice is the picture? Like light.
I don't know now. I was asking you if I can get you.
Yo! Izona lebe zithi awusayifuni.
Yazi angisayifuni, bangiyikhiphe manje. Hayi ukuthi angisayifuni.
Baba bayidayisayo manje.
Akekho idayisayo.
Manje wena uyifuna kanjani ke?
Hayi ukuthi angiyifuni, angisayidansisi. Ngiyayibikelela iy'ngane phela. Angisayidansisi manje. Angiziphela njalo uma kuma-Easter, ngangizenzela ama-Easter basket. Njalo.
This record to finish for her. No.
So guys, if you want to live here, it's possible. Only $2,600. So that's about 50,000 rands a month. And that's for 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom. Next one, 4-bedroom, 1.5 bathrooms. 3,495. How much is that? It's almost about 60. Definitely over 50. At least 55,000 in rands. 2-bedroom, 2,800. Yo guys, it's expensive to live here.
This is second New York.
3,500 for a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom. See, that's why I'm here trying to find myself a millionaire, because I can't afford these things. I cannot afford it. I cannot. We are up to Starbucks. Get some coffee. Let's get some more. Hey, this child life. Not sure it's hard. Thank you. Oh, so nice and warm in here. It's so cold outside.
So we all came together. I have a warm banana nut bread. And then I have
Why are you having what I want to have?
a hot chocolate.
I'm gonna have the ice lemon loaf cake. I think
Okay, I'm gonna have the pumpkin. No, the ice lemon is the one with the ice.
Yeah.
The one on the, okay. I'll have the pumpkin. Londi.
What if I don't want the ice?
Can I cut it out? It'll look weird though.
I don't want it.
Londi, if I have the pumpkin, can we have half? Okay, I'll have the banana nut bread then. Yeah, that's why I was saying if I have the pumpkin, you can have half of mine, I have half of yours. Which one do you like then?
But I'm getting the banana nut bread.
Okay,
It's really good.
I'll have the banana, please. You didn't get what I was saying.
No, he said when I pumpkin.
Githe, no, if I have something different, can we have half?
I'm saying I try pumpkin. I
Are we
don't
tired?
like it. Yeah.
Okay, if I have this one.
Yes. Okay.
Okay, sorry. Instead of the of 2 pumpkins, I'll have, what is this one? Not the donut, the coffee cake, right?
Yeah, the
Coffee cake, please.
Or
Yes, one.
so we have banana bread, barley white on top, lemon icing, and coffee cake one.
Yes, please.
Hot chocolate? Yes. Okay, she wants a mocha hot chocolate.
Same size, whipped cream. And for you?
Which one are you having?
A white hot chocolate. She said me a mocha chocolate.
I don't want something that's too sweet. Oh, what do you have that's nice but not too sweet? Besides a cappuccino.
Nice but not too sweet. We do have just like a regular grande latte, like a regular plain latte.
Yeah, I'll have that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
More coffee then.
That's it?
Yeah.
And what was the name?
I'll spell it out for you.
Okay.
𝙏𝙗𝙖𝙣𝙠 𝙔𝙤𝙪
21.96.
Sorry, I'm not putting you on the camera.
Okay.
So guys, thank you very much for watching this vlog. This is it for Hoboken. It's been a beautiful night, beautiful evening. Although it's freezing cold, but it's not like snowy cold. Yeah, that's it. Had my coffee, feeling a bit warmer. Going home now. You take care.
Don't be in that picture.
No, yeah. See what happens when you are doing your vlogs and guys are walking by with their side cheeks. They get scared that the wife is gonna find out. Don't put me in the picture. We won't put him in the picture, so don't worry. We won't put you in the picture. We won't put you in the phone.
We won't put you in the picture, but you'll just appear there.
Yeah, you'll put yourself. You'll just insert yourself.
Yeah.
Bye. Bye-bye. Get it. If they hear from the wrong person, the only thing people don't like is betrayal. Even things you gossip about, if you had told the person, it wouldn't cause a conflict. The problem is when the person hears from me that Londi said this about you. That's when it becomes a problem.
But if you hear from London herself, it's not a...
If I tell Londi directly, let's say, change this about yourself or do this, or you know, this is how I see this. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Subscription is free. Mahala.